Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a circle on Life360 app. If you no longer need a circle in Life360, the process is fairly simple, but there are a couple of important things to keep in mind along the way. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the steps clearly so you can remove the circle without confusion. Start by opening the Life360 app on your device. Once the app launches, make sure you're on the main screen and signed into the correct account. This is important because circle settings are managed from inside the account that owns or manages that circle. Next, look to the top left area of the screen and tap on Settings. This will take you to the section where account options and circle-related controls are located. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a moment and check that you are inside the correct circle before continuing. From the Settings menu, tap on Circle Management. This is where you can manage members and make changes to the circle itself. If you have more than one circle connected to your account, be especially careful here to make sure you're editing the right one before moving forward. At this point, if your circle still has members in it, tap on Remove People. This step matters because in some cases, a circle cannot be fully deleted until the members have been removed first. If your circle does not have any members, you can simply skip that part and continue. Take your time here, especially if you're cleaning up an old or unused circle, so you don't remove anyone from the wrong group by mistake. After that, tap on Delete or Leave Circle. This is the final action that will fully remove the circle from your account. The wording may vary slightly depending on your role in the circle or the version of the app you're using, but the goal is the same. If you are the last person in the circle, deleting or leaving it will completely close it out. Before confirming, it's a good idea to double check that this is the circle you truly want to remove, since this action may not be easily undone. Once you confirm, the circle should be deleted successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a circle on the Life360 app.